What's up, everybody? Welcome to SSA House. Today, we have a special event for you guys. We are at the Aero Water Show, and it's gonna be at Orange County Fairgrounds. So check it out. We brought out our good friend's car. It's a 996 Factory Aero Mark 1, straight from Japan, and we're gonna display this vehicle here at the show. So we're gonna take you guys along today and enjoy the show where it's free for you, but not for me. But let's go check out the show. Let's go. Where do you think you're parking at? Good morning. Okay, I gotta go down to the other gate, so I'll see you inside. We're here with our friends. We're just pre-staging here before we get into the long line. So here's all the caravan from today. As you see, different variation of cars. You have 964, and then the rest, you have the 997, and then the rest is all 996. So, air water, let's go. So a lot of people have been asking us, where's our merch? Well, you can find us on Amazon and just type in SSA House on Amazon, and you can find our latest merch there. This is called the Classic Vintage SSA. So we have a couple designs on the page, so just browse through it, see what you like, and thank you for your support. I'll see you guys in there. Inside the line. As you see, we're inside the showroom. This is called the paddocks area. So there's different halls that we're gonna be walking into. We're gonna put some of the cars and the halls in there in the video, so keep watching, check it out. let's get into the check-in table. This is the check-in. What do you do when you check in here?
Well, we just take the marketing partner credentials and give you your swag bag and send you on your way.
Cool. We already did that. I got my baggie. Let's come on in. All right, let's see what's in the bag. Little cool swag, the hats, energy bar, because that's what you need because you'll be walking a lot today. And water. Nothing but the best. Voss. Nice. Oh yeah. When you talk to a lot of people, you want to make sure you got fresh breath. So, oh, chapstick, chocolate bar. Cool. Let's see what they have over here at the bar. I appreciate this. Thank you, singer. So we get to the coffee bar. These are the fine drinks. What do you recommend for ice cold drink beverage?
Ooh, yeah, we have our house-made vanilla syrup that's really good, so we can do an iced vanilla latte.
Okay. How about something with no dairy?
No dairy, yeah, we have oat milk if that works for you.
Let me get that.
Okay,
Ice.
So an iced oat milk vanilla latte.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Walking all day, you get a little drain. It's a little pick-me-up. So let's go get the coffee and then see what we're gonna have for me. Cool. So coffee is sponsored by Good Boy Bob. Let's give it a sip. It's good. Picks me up. Plate, and then the salad bowl, tortilla, beans, rice, chicken. It's cool. And beef. So you got your drinks and you got your meals, and let's go and hang out. Oh. Hopefully you'll see you guys next year with us, and hopefully you enjoy the show. Again, free for you guys, but not for me. And thank you, Singer, for partnering with us this year and giving us this opportunity to enjoy your lounge. Thank you. All right, I'm here with Alex.
Thank you so much, SSA, for stopping by.
Thank you, and I'll see you guys next year.